Welcome back to the KK Autos. Today we're diving into something truly special, the brand new 2026 Volvo Motorhome, a blend of Scandinavian luxury, cutting-edge technology, and practical design, made for those who believe the journey is just as important as the destination. Volvo has long been known for safety, comfort, and premium craftsmanship, and now they've applied that philosophy to the open-road lifestyle. And trust me, this isn't just a camper, it's a rolling luxury suite on wheels. Let's start with the first thing you notice when you see it, the exterior. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome carries the brand's clean, minimalist design language, but scales it up to motorhome proportions. The front fascia is unmistakably Volvo, with the signature Thor's Hammer LED headlights framing a bold grille finished in satin chrome. The lines are smooth yet substantial, giving it a modern but confident road presence. The body is constructed from lightweight composite panels for better fuel efficiency and durability, and the paintwork options include both classic metallics and adventurous two-tone schemes. You also get full-length panoramic side windows, giving it a sleek profile while flooding the interior with light. The 22-inch aerodynamic alloy wheels not only enhance its stance, but also contribute to reduced wind resistance. Even the roof design has been optimized, with integrated solar panels providing supplementary power for off-grid adventures. At the rear, a large vertical LED taillight setup and integrated bike rack system make it clear this is built for both form and function. Stepping inside is where the magic really begins. The moment you enter, you're greeted with Volvo's trademark understated luxury. Soft-touch surfaces, sustainable wood veneers, and premium Scandinavian textiles set the tone. The layout is incredibly well thought out, maximizing every inch of space without feeling cramped. The driver's cockpit is pure Volvo, ergonomic. Seats wrapped in Nappa leather, a crystal gear shifter, and a fully digital 15-inch display with navigation, entertainment, and driver assistance features. The steering wheel is heated and all controls are intuitive, so long drives are effortless. Moving further in, the lounge area feels like a high-end living room with a plush L-shaped sofa, retractable smart TV, and ambient lighting that adjusts with the time of day. The dining table is expandable, perfect for family meals or working on the go. The kitchen continues the luxury theme but adds a practical touch. Induction cooktop, convection oven, large refrigerator with a separate freezer, and plenty of counter space finished in stone composite. Storage is smartly hidden behind push-to-open panels, and there's even a wine cooler for those evening stops. The bathroom features a rainfall shower, heated floors, and a backlit mirror, with materials chosen to resist moisture while maintaining a spa-like feel. At the rear, the master bedroom offers a full-size bed with memory foam mattress, overhead skylight for stargazing, and extensive storage both above and below. Sound insulation ensures quiet nights even in busy campgrounds. Under the skin, performance is another area where Volvo has brought its A-game. The 2026 Motorhome is powered by a hybrid diesel-electric drivetrain, combining a 3.0-liter turbocharged diesel engine with a high-capacity electric motor for a total output of around 420 horsepower. This means you get the torque you need for hills and towing, but also the efficiency and near-silent running when in electric mode. The 8-speed automatic transmission delivers smooth shifts, and the adaptive air suspension keeps the ride composed whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling uneven country roads. Volvo's safety tech suite is fully integrated with lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system, making driving and parking far less stressful. Handling is surprisingly nimble for a vehicle of this size, thanks to rear-wheel steering that tightens the turning circle. Braking performance is enhanced with regenerative braking, which also helps recharge the battery pack. The hybrid setup allows an electric-only range of about 60 kilometers, perfect for campsite arrivals and departures without disturbing the peace. For those who venture far off the beaten path, there's also an optional all-wheel drive system for improved traction. When it comes to pricing, Volvo has positioned this motorhome firmly in the premium segment. The base model starts at around $185,000, but that includes a generous standard equipment list. Upgrading to the fully loaded Grand Tourer Edition, with features like the extended solar array, integrated satellite internet, and premium audio system, pushes the price closer to $230,000. Given the build quality, technology, and comfort on offer, it's priced competitively against rivals from Mercedes-Benz and Winnebago's luxury line. And with Volvo's reputation for longevity and low depreciation in the premium vehicle market, it's likely to hold value well. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's about making every moment of the journey enjoyable. From the sculpted exterior to the serene, functional interior and the impressive hybrid performance, it delivers on almost every front. It's built for people who want the freedom of the open road, but refuse to compromise on comfort, technology, or sustainability.